Write on linear equation using matrix method. Using matrix method. Linear equation using matrix method. अब remember all students. All students remember. Any question you are this type. Any question you are this type. A1x plus A1x plus A2y plus A3z plus AN. Yeah, wait, this type no, sir. This type no. This type no. Your question this type. Remember also A1 x11 plus A2 x12 plus A3 x13 plus AN x1n is equal to B1. Is equal to B1. Understand? Your question this A1, yeah, A11 x11, A12 x12, A13 x13 dot A1n x is equal to B1. And same second step, A21 x21 plus A22 x22 plus A23 x23 plus A2n x2n is equal to B2. Dot your condition AM1 x M1 plus AM2 x M2 plus AM3 into x M3 plus AMN x MN is equal to BN. Any equation this type given, any equation this type given, A11 A12 A21 A22 AM1 AM12 are constant, B1 B2 B3 all constant. Variable, what variable? X x11 x12 x13 x14, this is all variable, x all variable. So always remember, wait 1 minute, first understand, sir. How many equation, how many unknown value, means 3 unknown value, so how many equation? 3. 3 unknown value or 2 equation given. Are your question find the value x and y z? So not possible you find the x value z value. 3 equation, 3 unknown value, 2 equation, 2 unknown value. Okay, IIT, up to IIT only 3 equation given. Up to board 12th board also 3 equation. Board 2, board minimum 2, maximum 3, but IIT maximum 3, minimum 3. Understand? So this type question, how to solve? First condition write down. First condition write down. कंप्लीट है। एम ए एम एक्स बी एम ओके। अब नाउ एनी क्वेश्चन एग्जाम टाइम दिस गिवन, एनी क्वेश्चन बोर्ड एग्जाम या कंपटीशन एग्जाम easy question, board exam tough question, competition exam are the question easy, I give you some concept, that concept apply, answer comes. But board exam 5 mark question, some lengthy. So any question exam time this type given, so a step number one, all should remember, any question board exam given this, the step number one, let capital A all constant na, capital A means A11, A12, A13 dot 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 A1, A21, A22, A23 dot 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 A2n. Understand na? Dot 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 AM1, AM2, AM3 dot 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 AMN. First step. Step number one, all x coefficient consider A. Understand? Next, B. The B is equal to B1, B2, B3 dot 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 BM. Understand? Step number one, A, B. Or next, capital X is equal to X11, X12, X13. This is na X11, X12, X13, X14, X15 dot 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 X1 and this considers a step number one. Unless any question is exam time, board exam or any exam, the step number one, let x coefficient A, that's at all equal to B or X is equal to this. Okay, write down. Huh? Only this come, not all this. This.
This is 2 or
Two. Write down question, I don't. Yeah, you write down question.
right?
Okay. You complete question. Kishore, you complete it? You stand up, sir. Take the pen. Next, complete all lesson in this place. What time? Nitya, understand? Nitya, Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Karthikeyan, Trilokesh,
Understood, sir.
Rafna. You start, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, no, ऐसा move, sir. Okay, rough, sir. Rough, na? अब now, any question, this type of step number one to complete, understand? Na? अब step number two, A x is equal to B. A x is equal to B. A coefficient, x, you know, this is B, sir. So x is equal to 1 by A into B. Understand? Na? This into this side, divide. 1 by A is equal to A inverse into B. Understand? Of A inverse, you know how to find A inverse? A inverse is equal to, tell me. X is equal to A inverse is equal to adjoint ADJ, adjoint A by mod A into B. This na adjoint, you know na, means A inverse find. The first you know adjoint find. So any question this type, equation type question, so this method find up to this all one step, step number one. Means board exam this question are 5 marks, so up to half marks. Mod A find, so half mark, so half 1 mark. Cofactor find, you know cofactor adjoint Adjoint find, so this 2 marks. I can put the value, calculate, so this is 2 marks. 2, 2 or 1 marks. Understand? Write down, all should write down. Complete. Now write down types of equation. Write down types of equation. Types of equation. First, homogeneous equation. First, homogeneous equation. First, homogeneous. So what is homogeneous? अब board no competition exam of the question, any equation given, are this told this is homogeneous, non equation 2 type, homogeneous, non-homogeneous. So any question given, are you question this equation homogeneous or non-homogeneous? So always remember homogeneous equation B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3 is equal to Bn is equal to 0. Bn is equal to 0. Means understand A11 x1 plus A12 x2 plus is equal to 0. Again A2 plus x1, understand this all one side all term is equal to 0. This is known as, understand. So write down B1 is A1 is equal to, sorry, B1 equal to B2 equal to B3 equal to B4 equal to B5 equal to 0 is known as homogeneous equation. Is known as homogeneous equation. Understand? Any question asked this type, this equation homogeneous, non-homogeneous, the A1, B1, B2 all equal to homogeneous, not equal to non-homogeneous. Wait, not write down. And this mainly use all equal to homogeneous, not equal 0 is known as non-homogeneous. Okay. Of any question homogeneous, so 2 solutions. Any question homogeneous, so how many solutions? 2 solutions. So write down. Write down. If mod A is equal to 0, if mod A is equal to 0, then the system of equation, then the system of equation only trivial solution, TRIVAL, trivial solution, and it has one solution. It has one solution. Oh, mod wait mod equal to not 0, mod equal to not 0, so trivial solution. Mod A is equal to not 0, so trivial solution, it has only one solution, sir. Teacher, this concept, teacher, no. So mod A find mod A equal to not equal to 0, that homogeneous equation. This equation homogeneous. Again mod A find mod A not equal to 0. This is known as a trivial solution, means one solution. अब exam time ask the question, this equation homogeneous equation, then option trivial solution, non-trivial solution, yeah, this type of option given. So this any equation homogeneous equation, the 2 solution. First solution trivial solution. Trivial solution means only one solution. Understand? Mod A not equal to 0. Clear concept? Concept clear na? Mod A not equal to 0, not equal to 0, the homogeneous equation is known as, and understand. Online student not understand. Online student.
Understood, sir.
So why not reply?
Understood, sir.
So reply na. I told ki mod not equal to 0. That means Tell me, that means
Trivial equation.
a trivial equation, trivial solution means, tell me, trivial solution means one solution. Okay, next point write down, second point write down. Mod, if mod equal to 0, if mod equal to 0, mod equal to 0, then the system of equation, then the system of equation, then the system of equation has non-trivial solution. NON, NON, non-trivial solution. And it has infinite solution. And it has infinite solution. And it has infinite solution. Write down. Non-trivial solution means infinite solution. Third point write down. Third point write down. If number of equation, if number of equation, third point write down. If number of equation, if number of equation less than number of unknown value, if number of equation less than number of unknown value, then it has non-trivial solution. Then it has non-trivial solution. Understand? Means number of equation less than number of, means that means Hinduja, that means number of solution less than number of solution less than unknown value. That means no, this is non-trivial. So what which type of equation? Non-trivial equation. Number of equation means x plus y plus z equal to something given. Okay, how many equation? 3. Or x plus 3y minus z is equal to something. How many equation? How many equation? 2 equation. How many unknown value? 3. Means number of equation less than number of unknown value. That means this is non-trivial solution. A non-trivial solution means infinite solution. Understand? Yes or no? So this type of question asks competition, not board exam. Competition asks the question. Board exam tough question. Wait. Okay. Competition easy. Okay. Next point I don't. Next point always write down. Non-homogeneous equation. These all are homogeneous. Next point, non-homogeneous. Pencil this side. Non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous equation. The non-homogeneous equation means, Sanjay, what is non-homogeneous equation? Sanjay?
Sir, all not equal to 0.
Means B1,
Not equal to 0,
B1,
sir.
B2, B3 not equal to 0. Means all not equal to 0. Any one 0, no problem. Means B1 0, B2, B3 not 0. 3 equation given, maybe 3 equation. So one 0, other no 0. Sir. All 0 to homogeneous equation. All not 0, non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous means condition number 1. Write down. Condition number 1. If mod A 0, if mod A not equal to 0, if mod A not equal to 0, then equation has consistence. APM. This my sentence, one prime minister, one home minister, one defense minister. This defense minister always playing PUBG. How to any Pakistan attack na, how India, so how will play PUBG. Attack na, this PM. Always PUBG, PUBG, PUBG. Five minute, 2 minute, I late, I start. I see sir today. In a 2 minute late to open the notes copy or see revise or something. No, PUBG start. Okay, I don't, no problem. Very good. What play? As like PUBG, na? Yes. I also don't know what is this. You to know, sir. You to Home Minister, sir. Okay. Okay, no problem. What word? Okay. Del A not equal to 0. That means consistence equation. It has consistence and has one solution. Has one solution. Has one solution. Understand? Means del A not equal to 0. The consistence means one solution. Second point, I know. Del A equal to 0. Del A equal to 0. And del A equal to 0 and adjoin A, ADJ, adjoin A into B is equal to, adjoin A into B is equal to, not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Adjoin A into B not equal to 0. Understand? Del A equal to 0, but adjoin A into B not equal to 0. Okay, not equal to 0. Right? Then the system of equation inconsistence and no solution and no solution and no solution and no solution. Next, if third point, if del A is equal to 0 and adjoin A into B is equal to 0, adjoin A into B is equal to 0, adjoin B A into B is equal to 0, then the system inconsistence and infinite solution. Last point, what? Consistency, na? In results. Yeah. And infinite solution. And infinite solution. And infinite solution. So this all notes, only competition asks the question. But board exam not ask the question. Board exam, this all notes not ask the question. Board exam, equation given, your question direct, find the value x, y, z using matrix method. Using matrix method. Okay, no any student used to 9th, 10th class method, sir. Last batch, not this, another school. I give the question. You solve 10th class, na, substitution method, elimination method, this method solve or find the x, y, z value. I beat, sir. So all should remember, not apply that method, sir. All should apply question given using matrix method, find the x, y, z value. Question given, IIT exam consistent, inconsistent, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, one solution, many solutions, infinite solution, no solution. This type of question are the competition, sir. But board exam, no. Okay, so how to solve the question? So write the question, one question write down. Again, I solve, sir. Write the question. Solve the question. Simply solve. Write the question. X plus 2y, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1, is equal to 1, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2z is equal to 2, and 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y, no, 3x plus 3y, 3x plus 3y plus 4y, 4z is equal to 1, 4z plus 1. Understand? 4z is equal to 1. So your question, find the x, y, z value using matrix. All students stop the pen pencil or focus this place. All students stop the pen pencil. Nitya, Sanjay, Karthikeyan, Trial case, all students open the full pencil close. I should first understand, sir. Any question board exam this type. Are you question find the x, y, z value? A step number one. A step number one. The first you let. First you let. A is let. What? A is equal to what value? Tell me. A is equal to what value? This is 1. So 1, 2, 3. Next 2, 3, 2. Next 3, 3, 4. Understand? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This. Now B. B is equal to what value? Sanjay. B is equal to what value? Tell me. B is equal to 1,
Sir, 1,
2,
2.
1. Understand? X is equal to what value? Capital X is equal to what value? A small x, a small y, a small z. X, y, z. Understand? Up to understand? Any student doubts, inform me.
Yes, sir.
What doubt? Tell me. Clear na?
Sir,
Up to write
doubt
down.
answer understood,
Up to
sir.
write down. All up to write down. Question rough, no? Question I rough, sir. Clear? Up now, all students find del A. All students find del. What value? Del find. Find all students del. One question, one answer. Two answer, another beat you. All students find del. Del A. What answer? Tell me. Tell me. What answer, Sanjay? Hey, what answer? You not solver. Give the stick, sir. Hey, give the what name? Dashina, a stick down. Give me. You solve. Where? This place solve, na? Solve. Find the delay. You find 11. You. Sanjay, what answer? देखो 2 answer.
Sir, 1.
1 देखो 3 answer. 1, 11, 7. Sanjay, what answer your?
1, sir.
Sanjay, tell me what answer?
1.
1. What told? One question. You to copy this student, sir. This is also 11. This copy this student, sir. I
Sir?
beat. Tell me.
Sir, 11, sir.
11. Nitya
Yes,
to
sir.
11, sir. Okay. Now.
Sir.
Huh?
Now for me also coming, sir.
What coming?
11, sir.
Why one time you saw a mistake? Ena custom your. One time always wrong answer. Hey, remember what is this? 1. 1 write down. This close. This close. What multiply? This multiply 12. This multiply 12 minus 6. 6 minus 2. This multiply what value? 8. This is 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 minus 2. Plus 3. This close. What value? 6. This is 9. 6 minus 9 minus 3. This na the 6 minus 4 minus 9. Minus 9 na? What value? Minus 7. Minus 7, no? Minus 7. Hey Sanjay, cheater. This cheater. I beat Sanjay. This told 11. Nitya also 11. So I also 11. Sanjay. You. No, I not mindset. My mindset all students good students, sir. But problem this ki one question, simple question, a 4 5 answer. You say one time 1 11 minus 7 again 11. So this why wrong answer, sir. Karthikeyan understand?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Up to understand this rough, na? Up now you find the adjoin. Adjoin which method? Remember cofactor, na? So I teach na adjoin one shortcut method. Shortcut method apply, no problem. Hello. Apply shortcut method. What answer? Apply shortcut method, cofactor find. The adjoin is equal to, remember this, na? Hello. 1 2 3 2 3 2 3 3 4 1 2 3 2 3 2 1 2 2 3 3 3 1 2 2 3. This na, this method na. So this cancel. Of this multiply, what answer? Wait 1 minute. This rough, sir. This rough na. So direct adjoin A matrix. This multiply what value? Tell me. This multiply 12. This multiply 6. 12 minus 6. Clear? Of this multiply what value? Of this multiply what value? What answer? Clear? This multiply what value? This multiply what value? What answer? Of this multiply what value? This multiply what value? What? 8 na. 9 minus 8 1. Understand? Don't understand? You not understand? This multiply 9. 4 minus 9 minus 5. This multiply what answer? Of this multiply 4 minus 9 minus 5. This multiply this multiply 2. So 4. This multiply this multiply. So what? Minus 1. So this is adjoint. This adjoint, na? Understand? Nitya, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, rough na. This method apply exam time, no problem. Otherwise, cofactor method apply. Okay. Up now, hello. Up to understand na? Adjoin find na. The x is equal to A inverse in B. X is equal to this na. The A inverse is equal to adjoin A by mod A. The adjoin A what value? 6 1 minus 5. Yes or no? Minus 2 minus 5 4 minus 3 3 minus 1 by 1 by minus 7. 1 by minus 7. Is B what value? Tell me B what value? 1 2 1. Of this multiply or tell me what answer? This multiply a correct answer, not two answers, sir. Mod A, del what? Adjoin A inverse is equal to adjoin A by mod A. So mod A minus 7. Mod means no, del A. What answer? Tell me. One answer, two answer, not I beat you. Solve complete. What answer, Sanjay?
1 minute, sir. Doing.
This 6, this 2, this 5. So minus 1 by 7. 6, this 2, 6, 2, 6, 6, 8, 8, 3, 3, na? This minus 2, minus 10 plus 4. What value? 12.